Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English for 5 minutes. In today's lessons, we are going to learn something from Ben's story. I suggest you write down all the sentences so you can have a better understanding of today's lesson. Are you ready? Let's get started. The objectives of today's lesson is to learn how to identify nouns, which is people, animals, things, and how pronouns like it, he, she, they, this are used to replace them in sentences. In today's lessons, it's going to be a little bit different because there will be two sections. First, we will read the whole story, and then the second, we will break down the story together. Now, let's read it together. Hello, my name is Ben. I have a pet. It is a cat. My cat is black. His name is Shadow. Shadow likes to sleep. He sleeps on my bed. He also likes to eat. He eats fish. I play with Shadow. We play with a ball. He is a good cat. Today is Monday. I go to the store. I buy apples. I buy bread. I buy milk. My mother needs these things. We put them in the fridge. She makes a sandwich with the bread. I eat an apple. The milk is cold. The sun is yellow. The sky is blue. I see a bird. The bird is small. It sings a song. The song is nice. I like the weather. It is warm. I sit on a bench. I read a book. The book is about animals. Now, let's break down the story. Hello, my name is Ben. I have a pet. It is a cat. Now, my question to you, what is a pet? Can you guess? A pet is an animal that people keep at home for fun, friendship, or love. So, it's not for work or food. Some common pets are dogs, cats, fish, birds, hamsters, and so on. My other question is, what does it refers to? It in here. What does it refers to in this sentence? I have a pet. It is a cat. Can you guess? So it in this sentence refers to a pet, or it refers to Ben's pet. So I have a pet. It is a cat. It in here refers to a pet. So this is the sentences from the stories. My question to you, what is the cat's color? Black. What is the cat's name? Shadow. What does he refer to? Can you see there's a 3 he in here? He sleeps. He also likes to eat. He eats fish. So he in here refers to the cat or Shadow. So how do you know if the cat is male? Because Ben said his name is Shadow. So from this information we can tell us that Shadow is a male cat. Remember his name, not her name. If Ben said her name, which is the the cat is female, but in this story, he said his name is Shadow, so meaning the cat is male cat. I play with Shadow. We play with a ball. He is a good cat. So, who does we refer to in the sentence above? We play with a ball. Can you guess? We refers to Shadow and me, or Ben in the story. I is Ben, right? So Shadow and me, or Shadow and I. This is another sentences. So let's jump to the question. What does these things refer to? My mother needs these things. What does these things refers to? These things refers to apple, bread, and milk. Another question, who does we refer to? We in here. My mother needs these things. We put them in the fridge. So we in here refers to my mother and me, which is Ben. Remember, this is a story of Ben. Another question, what does them refer to? We put them in the fridge. Can you guess? Yes, them in here refer to apples, bread, and milk. So if we read the sentence again, I go to the store, I buy apples, I buy bread, I buy milk. My mother needs these things. We put apples, bread, and milk in the fridge. Can you see there is two it in these sentences? The first it refers to the bird. The bird is small. It sings a song. So the first it in here refers to the bird. How about the second it? The second refers to the weather. I like the weather. It is warm. So it in here is about the weather, while it in here is about the bird. Thank you for learning with me. Please support this channel by subscribing, giving it a like, or sharing it with your friends and family so they can learn with you. Until next time, everyone. Bye now.